it is. Can we do I know that when you are balancing an equation, sometimes you have to do ones where you multiply one of them by 1/2 to like get it to balance out.
Yeah.
And I don't really understand like the 1/2 thing.
Okay.
So
Well, this thing I went up here, I'll just erase those numbers and I'll pick.
So is it when you do 1/2? Is it when there's basically it's when there's an uneven number, right?
You can only use it with elements. So if it's like a diatomic or phosphorus or sulfur, when it's only one guy.
Remind me that I have, after we do this, a question about diatomic elements.
Okay.
After.
Let's see.
I think I might have one.
I think it's something like this. I think it's this kind of equation. So I put lines in front of each of them. So I can only put my coefficients there. Line down the middle.
There's, okay, yeah.
How many do I have on both sides?
4, 14, 2.
Okay, so since I see that there's a lone oxygen.
You always
on this
leave
side-
oxygen to the end, right?
Yes. So I would leave any of these diatomics by themselves until the end, because I can add as many as I need from him, because he's just one atom, one element. So I can fix oxygen at the end.
That's my question. When oxygen is by itself, just as an element,
It likes to be O2.
it has the 2, but it doesn't mean that there's 2 oxygens.
It's oxygen bound to oxygen.
But it's just one, right?
Oxygen gas is that. So if they say oxygen gas, it's O2. So
But
there's-
it's just one oxygen, right?
it's one oxygen gas,
Gas
molecule, yes.
molecule.
It's one molecule, but it's 2 atoms bound together. It's 2 oxygens bound together.
Which is always how oxygen is, right?
That's how oxygen gas is, yes.
It's, you have the subscript 2, but it's just one thing, right?
One together,
Okay.
yes. One together, 2 within it.
Cause, yeah, okay. Yeah, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So I'll leave him by himself, so I'll fix carbon and hydrogen first.
Mm-hmm.
So, what can I put right there?
4.
Mm-hmm.
That becomes 4.
And then I'll fix the oxygens after I change this one. So how many hydrogens?
7.
Go, makes that 14. So how many oxygens do I have total?
7.
So 7 there, plus 8 there.
Oh, I didn't see it. Okay, 15.
Mm-hmm. Oh dear.
Mm-hmm. That's the one.
Mm-hmm. So we can do this with diatomics. So how many do we need from this guy? We need 15, right?
Yeah.
So I put 15. How many does it have? It has 2.
So it does matter that there's 2 of them. Even though
So if that said 4, I put 4 right there. If that said 8, I put 8 right there. But since it's 2, I put 2 right there. I need 15 from it.
But we do use that too, even though it's just one molecule.
We're just referring that we need half. We need like 7.5 of those. But we can't really do that.
You can't split up.
Yeah, so then we put that 2, but then this 15 divided by 2 times by 2 makes 15, right? So we got that right. But we can't leave that. We can't have half a molecule.
Wait, go. You said 15 divided by 2 times 2 makes 15? Is that what you said?
15.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Halfway through the semester. And then, since we can't leave this, we just times everything by this denominator. So this becomes a 2.
Everything on that side, right? Or everything?
And on this side.
Everything.
28, 14.
and then it's balanced.
This would change to 8, 28, 3. Yeah.
So when there's an even, you just put the same number on the other side, right? And then you times everything by the subscript of that.
Mm-hmm.